There is more than one way to deliver a message. You can write about it or make long-winded speeches about it. But the message that is expressed through beauty and hope is perhaps the most evocative of all. At a performance organized by the Children's Museum for Peace and Human Rights, children danced, sang, and recited poetry to highlight the problems of climate change.
Children are our future. This is this generation that can make a difference. They just have to be, they have to understand the issues and they have to understand the world they're living in. And they have to be able to, they are the only people who can make a difference. They have to be told what to do, they have to be guided, they are energized and they just need to be channelized.
From elaborate movement pieces to songs sung to save the world, the series of performances struck a note amongst the audience and the performers themselves.
If you will not stop, it will more increase. If you will stop, it will not increase.
Climate change is something that we all might have to undergo, and it's time that we do take a stand about it, which is exactly why we did all this. I mean, all the schools here were either English medium or Urdu medium, but all of them performed here just to express the way they felt about climate change.
No one actually cares about the environment, and we can do so much, or even on a very small scale, on a very little basis, there's so much we can do.
Most stunning of all was the poignant fan dance performed by hearing-impaired children, depicting the story of Sadako, a little girl who had become victim to the Hiroshima bombings in 1945. The children could not hear the music, but their passion was evident through their highly expressive performance. The original performances highlighted the problems facing the globe today and proved that children can and should have the power to make a difference. Today's performances have shown that tomorrow's adults are willing to stand up and make a change. Let's hope that today's leaders will listen up and make a difference right now. Sophia Saifi, DawnNews, Karachi.